Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to migrate from Yoast SEO to Rank Math. I bought 2 years ago Yoast SEO bundle. It was this one, Yoast SEO Premium and Yoast News SEO. So it cost me $129, but when I come to Rank Math, they got Google News SEO, and then they got the SEO Pro include here. Everything is included here. The SEO Pro and the Google News SEO site map, and it costs only 59 US. It's unlimited personal website. So I have decided to switch off. So we are going to start. I got ready Yoast here. I'm going to add Rank Math. Let's look for SEO. Here Rank Math. I'm going to install it. Activate. Okay, so from here you're gonna have to get your Rank Math account. Click here. I'm gonna use my Gmail account. Accept. So I'm going to get my login details. Let's connect. Click activate now. I prefer advanced. From here you click start. As you can see here, they are asking me to import all my SEO setting from Yoast. As you can see here, they redefined Yoast as my SEO plugin that are currently installed on my website. I'm going to import all the settings. So I'm going to click start import. So you're gonna have to wait. It's done. So you click continue. So what type of website do you have? I'm gonna say small business type. I'm gonna go with local business, company name, I'm gonna add a logo. This one. Okay. Social share image. I'm gonna look for I'm gonna go with this one. Click continue, save a continue, connect Google services. Okay, click continue. You can email me the report. Save and continue. Yes, I need a sitemap. Include image, post, event, product, portfolio, project, page. Perfect. Save and continue. No follow for external link. I'm gonna save. Okay, so I'm ready to go with rank math. So this is how you migrate from Yoast to rank math. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.